Today, we're going to break down a powerful new feature from BRS Software that tackles one of the biggest time sucks of your day. Seriously, it's all about giving you back your most valuable resource, your time. We're talking about the new Quick Voucher, and trust me, it's a total game changer for anyone who deals with invoices.
So, here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about the problem, that daily grind of processing invoices. Then, we'll introduce the solution, the Quick Voucher itself. After that, I'm going to show you just how ridiculously fast it is with a live demo. We'll cover the key features you need to know, and finally, we'll talk about how you can get started using it, like today.
All right, let's dive right in. Section 1, the time-consuming task. We're talking about a pain point that I think pretty much everyone can relate to, that daily friction of managing all those financial transactions.
Now, really, just stop and think about that for a second. How many minutes, or maybe even hours, of your week get completely eaten up by creating these vouchers one by one, manually? It adds up so fast, doesn't it? You know the drill. Every single pending invoice, every bill that comes across your desk, it requires your full attention. It's careful, it's tedious, it's manual work, and honestly, it's a huge drain on your energy and focus. There's got to be a better way.
Well, guess what? There is. Which brings us to Section 2, where we meet the solution, the Quick Voucher. The best way to think about this is like, it's the brand new express lane for getting all those transactions settled and off your plate.
So what is it exactly? Here's the magic. The Quick Voucher automatically, and that's the key word, it automatically creates the correct voucher for you. So it figures out if it needs to be a receipt or a payment to settle your pending items. You don't have to think about it. The system is smart enough to just handle it. That's automation done right.
And this is the headline, the showstopper. The entire process from start to finish takes less than 10 seconds. You can settle a transaction faster than you can probably find the right piece of paper on your desk. It's incredible.
Now for the really fun part, Section 3, the demo. I'm going to prove it to you and show you just how simple this really is. There's no smoke and mirrors here, just a few clicks and you're done.
First things first, you don't have to go searching for this feature. It's designed to be exactly where you need it when you need it. You can get to the Quick Voucher from 3 main places, right from the Invoice app, from a specific vendor's screen, or even directly from the main dashboard. Super convenient.
Okay, so let's walk through the most common way you'll use this. You're looking at your list of invoices, right? All you do is right-click on the one you want to pay or settle, and then you just select Quick Voucher from the little menu that pops up. That's it, 2 clicks.
And boom, just like that, the voucher screen opens up. Now the key here isn't what you have to do, it's what's already been done for you. Notice the vendor's name is already there, and the total amount due, it's automatically filled in. The system is already doing the heavy lifting. So from here, you're pretty much just confirming the details. You just select which payment account it's coming from, the amount is already there, but you can totally change it if you're making a partial payment, no problem. Then you just pop in any reference info like a check number, get the dates right, and then you just click OK. And that is literally it. You get an instant confirmation message right on your screen, and the transaction list updates right away. There's no waiting, no wondering if it worked. The task is just done. It is truly that simple. Okay, that was fast, right? So now that you've seen the speed, let's jump into Section 4 and cover a few key details. These are the things you'll want to know to really get the most out of this awesome feature. Now, this part is really important. The Quick Voucher is your new best friend for settling standard invoices and bills. That's its whole purpose. But for those more complex accounting adjustments, things like debit notes, credit notes, or journal vouchers, you'll still use the standard voucher process. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. And this feature isn't just a one-trick pony. It's fully baked into your workflow. So once you create the voucher, you can immediately print it as a nice, clean report or save it as a PDF. There's even a check printing option built right in for your supplier payments. And of course, seeing the full transaction history for any vendor is always just a click away. And that brings us to our final section, how to get started. Let's talk about putting this incredible time-saving tool to work for you and your business. And I want to be 100% clear. What you just saw isn't a sneak peek or some fancy mock-up of a future idea. This is a live, working feature that is available right now in all BRS software products. You can literally start using this today.
So, if you're ready to start slashing that processing time, here's how you can connect. You can shoot the team an email, you can visit their website to learn more, or hey, just pull out your phone right now and scan this QR code to get direct support through WhatsApp.
I want to leave you with this one thought.
This isn't about saving a few minutes here and there. This feature is designed to fundamentally change your workflow. As the quote says, it doesn't just save you time, it absolutely slashes your processing time.
So, the final question is pretty simple. Just imagine what you could do with all that time you'll get back. You could focus on growing the business, serving your customers better, maybe just breathe for a minute. Are you ready to get your most valuable resource back?